Alright, so I'm going to be doing a very quick video on this Lenovo Yoga 3 Pro-1370, model name 80HE. So, this laptop wasn't charging, so right now it's actually charging. You can see the light. Before, when you plugged it in, nothing would happen. So here's what I had to do to fix it. First, what you want to do is get a T5 screwdriver and just remove all the screws. You want to keep the screws in order, though they do appear to be all the same size, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. After you do that, make sure, if it's not charging, your computer's probably already off. But what you want to do is go from the back, okay, and lift this piece up. And then as you go from the back, you run a pry tool or your fingernail along the edge here. Okay, it might be a little difficult. Let's see here. Oh, the first time I did this, it came up pretty easily. It was kind of strange. Now it's being a pain. Let's see. Let's try and go to this side. Okay, there we go. So now it's popping up. There we go. And then once you undo the clips, it should come out. So you might have to kind of wiggle it a little bit. The clips get a little stuck. Right, so I'm just using my fingernail down the edge. Okay. It's holding itself in. Let me see. Okay, here we go. So here you can see the little clips. That. Alright, there's not too many clips. It's just like these little metal clips here. Alright. So there's like 2 here and then 2 on this side. But yeah, anyways, once you remove that cover, what you want to do, you can check if your charge port's broken. I'm not going to take it out, but if your charge port's broken, you have to take the wireless card out. I got lots of videos showing that, so if you're not sure how to take out the wireless card and you need to replace this, please watch my other videos. You basically pull the tails of the antennas up, it'll pop out, take the one screw out here, and then you can pull the wireless card out, okay? After you do that, the cable just runs underneath here, and then it connects to this. You can disconnect this just by, let me zoom in. So this is just going to be a real quick video. My customer's waiting here. They drove from like almost an hour away, so I don't want to make them wait too long. But anyways, you got the connector here. Just pinch it, and then you kind of just wiggle it as you pull it, and it comes out just like that. So if you need to replace the charge port, it's very simple. Take out the screws, take out the wireless card, and yeah. Alright, so I'm going to pop this back in. So the way I do that, I squeeze both sides, that and the connector, just to pop it back in. Alright, that didn't fix it. Their charge port was fine. What was the issue was the battery. This battery might be bad because they said they got another charger and then it was working for about 15 minutes and died. So if your battery's bad, the model number is L13M4P71. Alright, so there's the model number. Hopefully you can actually read that. And basically all I had to do, I don't think you can replace the RAM on this. I'm just going to look at the rest real quick. Sorry about that. The customer called. Anyways, it's like I was saying, the speakers, there's 2 screws on each one. So if you want, you can actually take those screws out and then pop the speakers out. Let's see. I'm trying to look how they're connected. It does have like black and white wires connecting. The speakers actually run underneath the battery. And the speakers look like they actually connect right here with this flat ribbon cable that you just flip up and then you can pull the connector out. So again, most of these builds are the same on almost every single computer. The only thing that might be different is if you're removing this tiny board here, it actually, when you take all the screws out, you can pop that board up. So yeah, then you got the SSD. It's an M.2, looks like a PCIe NVMe. Actually, it says serial ATA, so I don't know if this supports PCIe NVMe, but this is, oh yeah, it has the 2 notches, so this is a serial ATA SATA M.2, not a PCIe NVMe. The RAM, I'm pretty sure, is soldered to the board, and yeah, you got all these other connectors here. I think there's like the keyboard backlight, the keyboard, then this, I think, goes to this board, and you got, I think, the trackpad cable. Alright, so I'm not taking all of that out anyways. If you want to take out the battery, just check where the battery's connected. There's 2 screws here, 2 screws here, and looks like 2 screws here. But anyways, to disconnect the battery, just like the charge port or DC jack, you just go here along the edges like that, and then, oh, excuse me, and then you just kind of grab that the little wings, and you just wiggle it and pull it back. After I did that, when I plugged this in, then the light came on, so then I knew it's working. So just do that. Okay. Oops, make sure you plug it in the right spot. All right, and then I saw this light came on, so that's how I knew that it's working. All right, so try that first with yours. If that doesn't work, then most likely your motherboard is toast. What you can do is, after removing the battery, press and hold the power button down for about 20-30 seconds to drain any power, and then try plugging in your charger again without the battery connected. And if that works, then hopefully it just needed a BIOS reset. Okay, so that's pretty much all I'm going to show on this model. I need to return this computer to the customer. Hopefully this video helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe. Help others find my videos. Thank you for watching. We're gonna put the cover back on. Somebody's messaging me. Forgot to disable the sounds, but there we go. So just clip the cover back in. All right. Line it up. Clip the sides down, and there you go. Put back all the screws, and you're good to go. All right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.